students, today we will see how to find whether the journal is a right journal or a pirated journal or a fake journal. Okay, so it is a very simple method I teach you in this particular video. You can see this is Google. Let's go there and let's type UGC care list. UGC care list. Okay, and search will take to this particular UGC site. So straight away click UGC approved list of journals, and now it will take to the actual UGC University Grants Commissions page, and there you can see UGC approved list, and you can see a blue color highlighted heading. Okay, so UGC approved list of journals has been replaced by UGC care list, whichever first. Okay, 14/6/2000. So click it. Now it will take you to the actual consortium for academic and research ethics, UGC care. Now you can see there you may start searching from this particular website. Okay, yeah, so this is the actually approved UGC care list finding, UGC care list journals finding website. Okay, so I'm going to click any of this particular part to search. Okay, so let me click here. Here, this is to alert all stakeholders that a fake websites, imposing care website have come to our notice. So all these things can be checked here. So I'm going to click more, or I'm going to click search. So anywhere if I click, so even I'm going to click search. Okay, after using this title or a search value, for example, and I'm going to search. So this is to search for actual journal. Okay, so you can see here, you can search from this particular space. You can search, and the other way is search button with the help of UGC ISBN number. Okay, so let me search from Arts and Humanities Citation Index. I'm clicking here. So let me search with ISSN number or ISBN number. Okay, right. So let me search a journal whose the ISBN number includes 2053. It's already there. Okay, 1583. Okay, so I'm going to search, and it means yes, the journal is here existing. Okay, so it is IOP Publishing Limited, so Material Science. So let me put another number 1583 or 1580. Okay, now you can see there is no result. That means this particular number is a fake number. Okay, this particular number is a fake number. Or let me type a word. Okay, let me type a journal. Journal of Marketing. Okay, Journal of Marketing. You can see many publishers use this particular word, Journal of Marketing, Journal of Computer Science, like that. Okay, so this is the actual journal. Okay, so you have 146 results which is related to marketing. You can check whether that particular journal is a real journal or a original journal which is listed as per CARE, okay, as per UGC, or a fake journal. Okay, so this is how you need to search whether your journal or your published your article is published in a UGC CARE list journal. Okay, yeah, so this is from Web of Science, and you have their options as well. Science Citation Index expanded. So from here you can search, and again social science social index is there, and again here there are group 1 journals and group 2 journals. You can search very well from this particular site. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.